This example will illustrate TaskCentre for SAP Business One's ability to easily integrate with an external system, such as a web-based e-commerce application, with its own separate database. In this demonstration, our customers browsed our e-commerce website and selected a number of products as displayed at the checkout stage of the buying process. Once an order has been placed, TaskCentre will take the order details from the e-commerce system and create an equivalent sales order in SAP Business One, as well as sending an order confirmation to the customer. For the sake of simplicity, we can leave the quantities as they are and go ahead and submit the order. Now that the order has been processed by the e-commerce system, we can see the order confirmation with an order number of 79. In the background, TaskCentre is processing the new order, which involves creating an equivalent sales order in SAP Business One and sending a confirmation to the customer. We can switch applications to see the task running. Once the task is completed, we can load the graphical task designer to take a closer look at the steps involved in automating this process. The task is run automatically when a sales order is created in the e-commerce applications database. To do this, the Microsoft SQL trigger tool is used to monitor the orders table, and when a new order is created, the task is fired. The second step uses the database query tool to gather all the relevant order details. After this, the SAP Business One connector tool creates a sales order in Business One using these details. It's worth mentioning that the connector tool utilizes the Business One API, ensuring that any data written adheres to the business rules, does not invalidate any SAP support or warranties, and most importantly does not corrupt the database. With the sales order created, the next step creates a PDF order confirmation document using the Crystal Reports tool. The Save as File tool is then used to archive the document into a specified folder for future reference. Lastly, the Format as HTML tool creates a formatted email message that is finally sent using the Send Message tool, along with the attached PDF order confirmation. We can now switch across to our email application to see the resulting message and order confirmation from the end user's perspective. As you can see, the email has been formatted using our own layout and graphics that can be fully customized as required. We can open the PDF order confirmation that includes all the customer and order details. This is again formatted in line with our own requirements and specification. As well as this confirmation, we can view the sales order as created in SAP Business One. By loading the sales orders window and navigating to the relevant record, we can see that the sales order that was initially created in the e-commerce database outside of Business One has been imported. As well as the required information, TaskCentre has also populated a user-defined field with the e-commerce order number so that this can be tracked at a later stage as necessary. This example has shown how TaskCentre for SAP Business One can be used to cost-effectively integrate with a completely separate database system, such as an e-commerce package. In this case, the task also illustrates how TaskCentre removes the burden placed on employees to continually monitor the e-commerce system and manually rekey in new records created into SAP Business One. Customers also benefit from an improved level of customer service, as TaskCentre for SAP Business One dynamically sends an order confirmation while streamlining the internal sales order process. Integrating SAP Business One with any other database system is an expensive project when adopting a traditional approach such as bespoke development. However, this task highlights how TaskCentre's drag and drop integration tools eradicate the need for this outdated approach.